Hello, welcome to the box room. David Bradley here, exploring a Vic-20. So, I have my meter. I think I changed the batteries in it recently. There it is. I have selected on it the DC volts 20. And now I'm looking to see. Okay, I think I have everything plugged in right. So, if you weren't here last time, I had a Vic-20, unboxed it. It came from the original owner, and it did not come to life, which was not surprising. But I did not check the power supply. I should. Now, according to Rudy of Rudy's Retro Info, in order to do this, I really just need to take these probes, stick them in here, and see what comes up. Okay, I believe I have them in. Perhaps the wrong way around. Huh. I'm getting nothing. Alright, what have I done? Is turned on. There are two prongs, two probes. I don't know. Let's see. Maybe I need to call Rudy. One, two. The probes are in, but I'm getting nothing of significance. I hesitate to move it down to the 2-volt side of things. So is there power supply trouble? I don't know. It doesn't seem to be coming up. That's disturbing and distressing. Of course, there could also be something wrong with the meter, possibly. Let me take that out of there. It has, over here, that's a place where you plug in the red things, and it shows you the things that you should have it plugged into for. And in the common, they're both in, and it's set on 20 volts. Last I have used this for mostly was car things. Alright, well I've reset the probes. Stick one in, stick one in, and it comes up with a kind of a minus thing. I wonder if this meter has failed me. I wonder. Or maybe, like the LED lit up. Very strange. Very strange, and the screen had a bit of a flash to it. The meter is falling. Like there, there's a flash. It's not an impressive flash, but it is a flash. I wonder if I should be brave and touch this across the power switch. And I get nothing. And I get nothing. This is peculiar. This is disturbing. This is distressing. Oh. Perhaps I will call Rudy of Rudy's Retro Intel and say, Rudy, what am I doing wrong? Or, there's always the possibility that this meter, although, you know what, I've used it on my car to test to see. See, when a car, most people think, oh yeah, if you put it across, it should be reading at 12 volts. Well, actually, to charge the battery, it actually is higher than that. So a way to see if your alternator is actually working is just to make sure that it's actually reading higher, like 14 volts or so, because that charges the battery. This does have an open thing. Why can't I get it open? Open sesame. Oh wait. Maybe I can use this handy dandy chip puller to pry it open. Boy, it's tight. Oh, okay. Oh, that doesn't really open it. That's just so you can lean it and have it stand. I think it actually takes screws to open it up. I think it was not that long ago that I did test the batteries in this, and I think I replaced them. I'm tempted, but I don't know if I'll be brave enough to do it. To take this and stick it in a socket, or in a power bar here, and see if it reads voltage. Tempted. Oh, AC volts. This may or may not be wise. It may not be wise. Jesus, okay. Yes, I would say that was definitely unwise. Because this probe got skewered and kind of arced. Oh my. Yeah, that could have gone better. Now you understand why I'm afraid to put things into such things. But I had it on the high voltage, should I? Did I have it? Ugh. Alright. What I just did, don't do that. Alright, I'm going to turn this off. Nothing like that electrical burn smell in the air. Yeah, that didn't go off. Funny though, it didn't pop the fuse. It did. The thing there now looks a little bit darker than it was. Well, could have gone better. Could have gone better, that. Yep. Oh yes, now I can smell that great electrical burn. I wonder if that probe will now work properly or not. If you want to see considerably shorter than the other one, and it looks rather fried. Definitely could have gone better. Well, do we have an answer on the power supply on the Vic-20? No, we don't. I am perplexed. But at least I wasn't zapped. So, I guess for the moment, I will say thank you for coming. And don't try that at home. Perhaps later I'll get my other phone. I'll call Rudy. He can talk to us. He may be busy. Or maybe he can tell me what it is that I did wrong. And I guess I need to find another Vic-20 power supply that I trust. Maybe I need to find a Vic-20 that's working. And see what's what, and then try to eliminate what's bad. Yes, or as in Apollo 13, what do we have on the spacecraft that's good? Anyway, alright, I'm going to unplug things. Ooh, I still need to tidy up here. Never seems to happen. Turn off the power bar. Turn off the monitor. And wish you well. So, signing off from the box room. David Bradley. Have a lovely, shock-free day. Bye for now.